We are pleased to show you the 2022 CHR. The Toyota CHR's fresh design make it stand out in the crowd, and the interior oozes with style. The CHR handles like a race car and has all the safety features you'd expect from a Toyota vehicle. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, trip computer. Come take a test drive today.